Want to upload longer reels on Facebook? Here's how to upload longer Facebook reels step by step. If this video helps, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. On Facebook, reels can now be up to 90 seconds long. Older accounts may still be limited, so make sure your app is updated. First, open the App Store or Play Store and update Facebook to the latest version. Open Facebook, tap Create, then select Reel. Tap Gallery and select a video up to 90 seconds long. Facebook will automatically treat it as a reel. If your video is longer than allowed, use the trim tool to cut it down to the supported length. Add your caption, hashtags, and privacy settings. You can also choose who can see your reel. Tap Post, and your longer reel will be uploaded. If your reel is limited to shorter length, update the app. Switch to a professional account. Try uploading from another device. Wait. Features roll out gradually. Upload in vertical format, high resolution, and keep key content within the first few seconds. And that's it. That's how to upload longer reels on Facebook quickly. Subscribe for more Facebook tips.